Welcome to the University of Bahrain College of Health and Sports Sciences Nursing Department. First of all, we will start with the leadership of the program. Professor Riyad Yusuf Hamza is the President of the University of Bahrain, while Professor Mohammed Al-Hilo is the Acting Dean of the College. Dr. Lina Khonji is the Department Chairperson and Mrs. Nasim Saeed is the Bachelor of Science and Nursing Program Coordinator. Salmaniya Campus of the College of Health and Sports Sciences is located in the heart of Manama and is within the boundaries of Salmaniya Medical Complex. The college buildings are located within the Salmaniya Medical Complex, which is the biggest hospital in Bahrain and serves most training needs of the college. It also houses the Arabian Gulf University, which is a medical school that is found on the other side of the complex. Now we will start the virtual site tour of the college. The college has several gardens containing seatings for the students in which they can chat, study and relax during their breaks. The Students' Activities Room or the Students' Club is at the same building as the cafeteria. The Students' Club contains a pool table, a tennis table, babyfoot, couches, and musical instruments in which the students can use on their leisure time. Male and female prayer rooms are also found within the Students' Club. The college library has several resources for the students, not only for the Bachelor of Science Nursing. It also has books and resources for the radiology, physiotherapy, pharmacy, medical laboratory sciences, and dental hygiene students. The students can use the facilities and spaces provided in the library to study, have group discussions, and to read books. There is also a computer lab in the library which is available for the students. The students can also take advantage of the group study rooms in which they can reserve in advance to do any sort of discussion and group work. Al-Maarif auditorium is the biggest hall in the college and is usually used for big events and for courses containing high number of students such as the anatomy courses. It is also utilized to hold events that are open to the university students and faculty and even to the public when needed. Students in the nursing program are taught in many classes that are divided over 3 floors of the college, and these are a few samples of the classrooms that are available for the students. Just before the COVID-19 pandemic, the students took advantage of the English language laboratory in which they used to practice their listening and speaking skills using specialized software available in the computers. The nursing department has 3 nursing skill labs, and the state-of-the-art simulation lab is in progress now and it's at the tender stage. First of all, the nursing skill laboratory is a place where the nursing students can practice their skills on a variety of mannequins. In this demonstration here, the students are taught proper hand hygiene and how to wash their hands properly. The students are also given the chance to practice their skills and demonstrate proficiency in the skills they have just learned. The students can also practice taking the vital signs of each other, and in this scenario the student is measuring the blood pressure of his colleague and later on will be measuring his body temperature. In the next scenario, the professor is teaching the student the proper steps and the technique to do aspiration of a patient. while in this scenario the students are practicing feeding through the NGT tube. The nursing department also has a midwifery and pediatric nursing skill lab, which contains mannequins of pediatric patients and pregnant women. The health assessment skill laboratory is another area where the students practice their skills. The upcoming scenario, the professor is teaching the student proper bed making techniques. In the upcoming demonstration, the student is showing her blood measurement technique on her colleague, while the professor is making sure that she is placing the stethoscope on the correct position using a double-headed stethoscope. And now the student is measuring the heart rate and respiratory rate of her colleague. The labs also contain a wide range of mannequins that are used to teach the students the necessary nursing skills. It is worth mentioning that the College of Health and Sports Sciences is an international training center for the American Heart Association for life support courses. Basic life support courses that are open to the faculty and to the public are usually held in this lab. The laboratory is well equipped with various mannequins and models that are needed for the basic life support skills and for training. And in this scenario, the doctor is demonstrating how to do proper chest compression technique as part of the CPR. The students are later demonstrating their techniques and they are being directed by the doctor on the proper hand positioning and the application of force on the chest. And that's a wrap for our virtual tour. Looking forward to meeting you all during the program review at the end of the month. Stay safe.